me find my way back. Please, can you help me? My house, it's falling apart. I have nowhere else to go. Please.
The measurements look good. We're getting an accurate baseline here. Setting the baseline now. Reading at 12.5 meters.
Confirming the moss density.
Data logged. All right, looking good. Just need to trim this now. Perfect fit. All right, that should be it. Let's see if this works. Looking good. All right, that looks much better.
Oh.
Time to power up. Your house has been completely rebuilt.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
We're almost there, Grandma. Just through these trees. I think you're gonna love it.
I already do, dear. If it
Matters to you, it matters to me. Almost there, Grandma. You'll love your new place.
will it be peaceful, son?
The most peaceful spot you've ever seen. Just through here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Grandma, this new house is all yours.
Oh dear, it's perfect. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. The most beautiful room I've ever seen.
Thank you, dear, for bringing me here.
Oh, bless your heart. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Thank you.
I remember that day so well. That was a wonderful time.